Multiculturalism. Embracing diversity in society. Hello everyone. Today, we'll delve into an exciting and thought-provoking topic: multiculturalism. This concept is not just about acknowledging diversity but also about appreciating and understanding the rich tapestry of cultures that shape our world. So, let's embark on this journey to understand what multiculturalism truly means and why it's significant in today's global society. Multiculturalism refers to the coexistence of diverse cultures, where culture includes racial, religious, or cultural groups and is manifested in customary behaviors, cultural assumptions and values, patterns of thinking, and communicative styles. In a multicultural society, the various cultures are not only recognized but also respected and encouraged to contribute to the community. This creates a melting pot of traditions, languages, and experiences, making society more vibrant and inclusive. Why is multiculturalism important? It fosters mutual respect and makes us more open-minded and tolerant of differences. In a multicultural society, people are free to express their cultural heritage and beliefs without fear of discrimination. It enhances social cohesion and reduces social conflicts, creating a more stable and peaceful society. Moreover, multiculturalism drives creativity and innovation by bringing different perspectives and ideas to the table. While multiculturalism has many benefits, it's not without challenges. Issues such as racial discrimination, cultural clashes, and language barriers can arise. However, these challenges present opportunities for learning and growth. Through education, dialogue, and open-mindedness, we can overcome these hurdles and build a more inclusive society. Embracing diversity enriches our lives, broadens our perspectives, and prepares us to live in an increasingly globalized world. Thank you for joining me in exploring the fascinating world of multiculturalism. Remember, multiculturalism isn't just about tolerating differences. It's about embracing and celebrating the unique contributions of each culture. It's what makes our society richer, more interesting, and more innovative. I hope this video has shed light on the beauty of cultural diversity and the importance of building an inclusive society. Stay curious, and keep learning.